If you're looking for a way to diversify your IRA and protect your wealth, using gold and silver could be a game changer. Many American retirees are turning to gold IRAs to protect their hard-earned savings against inflation and market volatility. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use these precious metals in your retirement account. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to diversify with gold and silver, and why it's becoming a top choice for those with substantial savings. Now, if you're serious about securing your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are making the switch to gold IRAs to safeguard their futures. This guide will walk you through the details. The first thing you need to know is that diversifying your IRA with gold and silver isn't just an option. It's a necessity in today's uncertain financial climate. With inflation on the rise and the stock market facing constant fluctuations, many retirees are looking for ways to protect their savings. Gold and silver are historically known for maintaining value over time, and unlike paper assets, they aren't subject to the same risks. So, how exactly do you add gold and silver to your IRA? The process is easier than you might think. It starts with setting up a self-directed IRA, which gives you the flexibility to hold physical gold and silver, unlike a traditional IRA where you're limited to stocks and bonds. This step is crucial for anyone serious about diversifying with precious metals. Once your self-directed IRA is set up, the next step is to choose your gold and silver. But here's the thing. Not all gold and silver are IRA eligible. To be eligible for inclusion in an IRA, your precious metals need to meet certain purity requirements, typically 99.5% for gold and 99.9% for silver. This ensures the quality and value of the metals you're holding in your account. The next step is working with a reputable custodian. A custodian is a company that manages your IRA and ensures that the precious metals are stored securely in a third-party facility. It's important to choose a custodian with experience in handling gold and silver IRAs, as there are specific rules they need to follow to make sure everything is compliant. Why should you choose a gold IRA over other forms of diversification? While you might be considering stocks, bonds, or real estate, these options can carry higher risks, especially in volatile markets. Stocks are tied to the ups and downs of the market, and bonds are affected by interest rates. Gold and silver, on the other hand, have consistently maintained their value even during economic downturns. If you're looking for a stable and secure way to protect your wealth, gold and silver are the way to go. By diversifying your IRA with precious metals, you're not just hedging against inflation, you're also adding an asset that can thrive even when the economy struggles. Now let's talk about why this is especially beneficial for retirees. If you've worked hard to build your savings, you don't want to take unnecessary risks in your retirement years. Gold IRAs give you peace of mind because they're backed by tangible assets. And with the added benefit of tax-deferred growth, you get the best of both worlds, security and potential for growth. If you're someone with at least 100K in an IRA or 401k or even 5 in savings, this strategy is perfect for you. You've worked hard to get here, and now it's time to protect your wealth. Gold IRAs are becoming the go-to choice for American retirees who want to ensure their savings are shielded from the risks of the market and inflation. Before we wrap up, don't forget to click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's full of actionable insights and will help you make informed decisions as you explore this powerful option for securing your retirement. To summarize, adding gold and silver to your IRA is one of the best ways to diversify and protect your wealth. With the right setup and the right custodians, you can easily transition your savings into precious metals. And if you're serious about protecting your future, now's the time to make the move. Make sure to check out the link in the description for your free guide.